Hello?
No, finally.
I'm recording a video. Put on your name. You seriously bought the pack?
What pack?
The
No.
early... You got the early
No.
access thing. Isn't that like a pack or something?
Oh, it's not, Nano. Calm down.
I'll include with...
It's free.
Where is it? I want that badge.
Go find it.
Okay, I bet it's in a body. Oh, it's your bananas. Play that. Yay! Okay.
Nano, come.
I know how to put it on.
I know, but there's J-Man's thing is also free.
Oh yeah, put the code TTT Pig. It gives you something. TTT Pig. And then read
Okay,
this.
it's green.
Read this.
I know. Now
I don't know
does
what it
give me?
does, but it's green.
Oh,
So
it supports them. It supports them when
Oh,
you buy something.
I'm supporting TTT Pig. Okay, come on. Let's
Bro,
try.
I'm
Which
gonna
one should
work
we
my
do?
hardest
Prop
to-
hunt or the tower?
We're gonna have to rejoin the code. The tower. It's very
'Kay.
fun.
Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum.
Wait a minute. Snibbity.
Hey,
I went halfway up
Alright, hurry, join the code. Okay, I'm in.
But before, wait. Let me show you. Stop.
What?
We have time, and
Okay.
then it changes. It
Okay.
changes every time.
Oh, so this ain't like the Roblox game Tower of Heck?
No, it changes. It's not.
Well,
the
no,
same.
Tower of Heck has time. Never mind. I'm stupid.
There's Tower of Heck. Change.
Yeah, it has a time limit till it changes. You're flying.
Oh wait, we don't have the same obstacle course then.
That's weird. I just...
Those balls disappears and reappears.
Oh, you got
if have
balls? I have these little
No.
platforms.
Oh, okay. I don't have balls. Oh yeah, they disappear and reappear.
Yeah, I just realized that.
Yeah,
Am I
you had to
floating
learn
for
that the
you?
hard way. Yeah. Are we recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Subscribe to Slimmy GT and Nano Gamer VR.
Okay, I'll put
Nano,
credits.
Nano has
No,
like
we're
a
not putting this
couple-
on my YouTube channel. How do you do
what
this
is
one?
it? Well, still subscribe to Nano Gamer VR.
Yeah, sure. I'll put it.
Wait, Nano, wait. What are you gonna post this on? Instagram? What's up, Instagram? Today we
No,
are
not
going to be-
Instagram. I don't have Instagram.
What are we gonna be doing it on then?
You'll see after the video ends. Okay, where am I
Just tell
supposed to
me-
go on this one?
Do you have a new VR account?
Oh, that's what you're supposed to do on that one. Okay, finally learned. I might be able to
Why
beat
am I
this one
waiting for-
finally, since I didn't know how to
Huh?
do that one. Popcorn. Oh crap! Oh crap! Rage quitted. I'm right here behind you.
Oh, look.
Okay,
this is
we're
the
back.
best thing
My
in the
friend
whole
kind
world.
of rage
No.
quitted. Wait, what?
This is the best thing in the whole world. Oh my god, yeah!
Aw. Yeah! Yeah!
Yacht! Yacht!
Yeah.
Hey,
Pet.
yeah.
Oh,
It's-
nah.
it's in here.
That dog's neck is broken.
Look, it's another one. There's another one.
I saw that one when I was waiting for you to get on. But you were DMing me on Discord. I saw that. Then got off.
So we're checking out the shop, and we're checking out the mod menus.
There's mod menus? What?
Yeah, buy them! Hurry.
I don't have enough.
Yo, I got the mod menu!
No, you
Oh my
don't.
gosh! Mods! Wait, I want the laser eyes and I want the mod menu.
I kind of want the jetpack. Lack of bananas. Okay, come on, let's play horror.
Wait.
Let's play horror. Let's play horror. Come on. Horror is next.
There's
Oh,
an
crap.
elevator, bro.
What the? drop
What?
down. That's it. What do you mean? I can't go through this way.
Yes, you can. This way, then this way.
Yeah,
What?
this way.
We're
And I can't-
alone.
I'm just pressing the elevator button.
Okay. We're going up.
Uh,
We're going.
Oh, there we go. Finally, I can go in here. So,
Wait.
current task. Find
There you
and
go.
use the dynamite.
Follow me. I know where the dynamite is, but the goo monster.
What the?
Where are you?
What the heck is this? Someone been doing diarrhea on the wall. Imagine.
Come.
Okay, what's here?
The dynamite is in here.
Swan. Oh wait, that actually worked. Oh my!
Now grab
I
it. You
didn't
have to
expect
pick it
that
up.
to work. Oh whoa! Oh no! It's a grip button, and I guess the orientation is just the same. I don't
We're
know.
gonna blow up a wall. We're gonna commit something that we're not.
Hey, no,
It's
no,
this
we
way.
can't commit. This is family friendly. But hurry up! Put on the timer. Punch!
Where's the goo monster?
What the? Hey, dude, I'm gonna turn huge
Oh,
mungus.
the goo monster!
Freddy! I'm calling him Freddy.
Fast.
That's his new name, Freddy.
Wait,
What
it's
the?
Labrite. It's Labrite. It's Labrite.
Labrat!
We got Labrite.
We got Labrat! Steal it. What the? He went under the ground.
Yeah. Come. We need a gear. We need to find things.
A gear.
He's somewhere. He's hiding.
Gear. Where's the
I
gear?
also need to find another thing. Where are you?
I'm here. Where's the gear? Oh,
Oh no,
it's
I
like
wish
over
we had
here.
a flashlight.
True. We need a flashlight.
Oh, he's coming. He's coming.
Is that no? That's not a gear.
So stay out.
How do you know he's coming?
It has the.
No, nothing here. We already checked over here. Stat
game
doing
isn't-
great.
Is it on the ground?
Might be. Oh, hi. Oh!
No, get on the table. Freeze.
Where did he find the gear?
No, I didn't.
Over here.
Something.
I found a bottle.
Oh, but the gooey. The goo.
Oh, I can't go inside it. That sucks.
It
Any
is.
gears?
Where are you? Where did you go?
I went to the left. I think the right. I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm brain dead.
Oh!
Gear!
Nino, where are you? He's humping the wall.
Nah, really. I'm here. He fell. Okay, get the gear. Get the gear.
Here, I got the gear.
Run.
He came out of nowhere.
Oh! Where do we put the gear?
Help me! In the same room. Go back.
What?
Look in there.
Get out of the way! You're gonna kill me!
Oh,
Gear.
he went out there.
Oh,
Found it.
what's this thing?
Oh, we need this. I know what it is. It's like dang, we're speed running this.
I know. Oh, it's emergencies. Okay.
Put it right there. A new
Unlocking vent.
Oh,
that
this
thing.
is so sick.
I'm gonna catch it.
That thing's gonna fall out.
Oh,
That was sick. It had physics.
I didn't catch it. No, it just had a rigged body.
No.
Ooh, lever. Boop.
Oh no, it's a lever.
Oh, it's a lever one. 3 levers. We need 3 levers.
2 more. We need 2
Two.
more.
This is easy. We're speed running. Nope. No.
Where did you go?
I
Stop!
don't know.
There's so much dark. Buttons! Look, we're unlocking mod vents for free!
No, that's crazy.
Where are you?
I'm here.
You know?
Where are you? I see
I
it!
found it!
Where? Get out of the way! Go! Open! It's open sesame!
It's a book!
No, it's a videotape. Wait, what does it say?
Wait.
Exit
let me
card.
see.
It's a card. Exit card. Oh, chicken!
Bob, what is Bob doing here?
Bob? Okay, we're calling it Bob. It's official.
Can
I think we
edit
go
the
down
video?
here. Oh, I think press this button.
No, we
Press the
don't. That's not.
Too
what
late, I already did. So, wait, current test. Once upstairs office for the key card. Current test. Open the upstairs office for the key card. No, we already got the key card. Wait, what?
Is it in the room? Wait, come. I think it's inside of the room where I got the key.
It's inside of the room? It can't be. What?
No, it can't.
There's nothing here. Just Bob the chicken.
Oh no, we're gonna have to be looking.
Oh, bruh.
Ah, brother, this guy stinks.
No. Oh, brother, it's gonna take so long. I know, oh, brother. Oh, brother, this guy stinks. There's nothing
Wait,
here.
no. I don't know why, but I passed out soon after writing entry 7.
Entry 7. Okay, entry 7.
No, that's not where it is. There's notes
Okay,
everywhere.
fine. It's lore. Wait, here. A lever. We haven't pulled down this lever.
What the? Where?
All the levers have been
I think it's
reset.
downstairs. This was upstairs.
Oh, hi!
It bit my arm off. We were both jump scared.
Yeah. It must be up here. It's the only way.
No, it has to.
Hi, Jimmy!
Dude, stop humping the wall.
I'm on top of you.
Just go. That's my head.
So it says upstairs, the office. So it's up here.
No, the office isn't up here. The key card was up here.
Okay. Then why does it say where it goes?
I don't know.
Read the poster.
Okay, he hides. He goes under the ground and then he hides.
Open the upstairs office. Look around. Spread out. Look around.
I found the door. This is just a wheel.
Yeah, dude, that ain't a door. What the? Oh, the cog! The cog place.
Nope, that's where you get the cog.
Oh. Bruh. Oh, crap! Oh!
Dude, you're scared.
Hide in the elevator!
Run! Okay. Oh my gosh. It's not upstairs, I know. Come.
I have an idea. I have an idea. I'm gonna try something.
No, Nano, help me.
It's an
Help me,
exit
Nino.
card. I can't. I'm in the other room. It's an exit card. So where's the exit?
I don't know. It's downstairs and I know.
Exit card, it says.
Run. Hurry.
Must be somewhere.
It has to be over here.
Holy crap. I lost the key card, by the way. Wait, I have to go get a controller. Be right back. Can you hear me?
Hello,
Can you hear me?
hello, hello,
Yeah,
hello.
I can hear you.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Go do this. Go beat this.
Let's go beat this. So, what the video said, open the door. Open the door! Ah! So, I lost my key card, I think. I don't think I have my key. I need to go get
I
my
can
key
beat
card.
it.
Here you go, my key card. So,
Where
the
are you?
video. I'm here. I got the key card again.
Is it
Since
upstairs?
So, yeah, they just like went somewhere. They cut it.
They're like, okay.
They
so it's
they saw
over
the
here,
chicken, then it got cut.
and then they go, okay, so it's over here.
Yeah. Maybe you go through a painting.
I don't know. Wait, I can't stand where Dayton stands. I'm doing something. Anna,
Yeah.
where did you go?
So look for green stuff.
Those are downstairs.
No, they're here. See, right there.
Yeah, there's some downstairs. There's some
Okay.
downstairs.
Let's check downstairs. There's green stuff.
Is
Hi,
it the
monster.
monster?
No.
Get,
2 monsters. Wait, what?
oh yeah, 2 escaped. I remember. I don't know where you are, but
They're following me, the monsters. Maybe because I taste delicious.
I found the exit.
You found it?
Just kidding. I'm following you, and I haven't found it.
Oh, here! Found it!
Let's go.
Swipe the card. Woo!
I told you
Level-
it was downstairs.
Yeah, you're right. Woo! A cave level. Find a way out.
Fine.
Hint. Create and use a rocket by
Look.
mining and refilling my murals found at the mural deposit.
Look,
So we just
it's-
punch it? Nope.
No, I think we need to find a pickaxe.
Bruh. Finding
This
a
is
pickaxe is
crazy.
hard.
It literally said mining memorial desk.
Yeah?
And you.
I can't. I'm recording a video. Okay, so what? I didn't understand the thing. I can't read. Is there like a pickaxe or something? Like you said,
I mean,
we
there
have
was an arrow.
It says we have to go to the deposit. Oh, rock maker this way.
Yeah, you probably should.
Dude, imagine this is a trap.
It's true. Oh,
What the? What? You're.
ah! Ah! Run.
Get away! Get away!
He's right there. I died.
I hate this game. I hate this game.
Oh, here we go. It's this way.
There.
Hello?
Hey, I'm right here.
Where are you? Where are you? Huh? What was that? I'm scared. Here we go. How we? Pickaxe!
Like,
Oh, I got it! Oh, I'm mining it. Is this just a mining simulator? I have a rock now. Now we have to go dispose it.
And the rock disposes it.
The rocket maker.
Rock.
I think it's mixed.
Rock.
Oh, right.
I'm scared, dude.
You can, I can tell you that.
Run.
Because they were like, they're
Over here. Oh no, this way.
really felt rain.
We place
Rock.
it. Okay.
No, we place it there, right there.
Oh.
Oh, it's a bomb.
Shut up. haven't seen it. What the? Is this just
Fiery.
Okay. Where do we go now?
Wait.
Let's go over here. We got a rocket, so all we gotta do is now.
Wait, it's Eats hide and seek. Let's see if we throw it in the air. What happens if we throw it in...
Bruh.
I'm gonna go
Okay.
grief their sky base.
Bruh. Okay, is there anything here? Let's
This
go
game
down
is
this
actually
way.
pretty fun.
I know.
Not really scary though.
Shout out to the developers of this game.
Elliot and all the other ones. We're walking around in circles. Yeah, circle. What's this?
Miner deposit. Let's get to the miner deposit. Maybe there's like a glowing green thing now. We place the rocket in. Nope.
Do you like play it? How do we light it?
Throw it. Nope. This ain't Youth hide and seek. Follow that weird sound.
Nope. We're not following any weird sound. That's the monster, just to let you know.
Sure it is.
And it also tells you that the monster has to follow you.
I hate when you cut out. Your voice
I
cuts
love
out.
that. That was like a movie scene. You still remember when? I know. I was running.
So read this. Create and use a rocket by mine. How do we use the rocket? I don't like that sound.
Yeah, me too. It has to. Dude, there's puzzles. It's literally like a puzzle, and we've been here. We've been here. Nano, should we play the octopus game next update? Because there's a mining, and you get coins for every mine you get.
Yeah.
Man,
Let's
that
go down
game was
here.
so OG.
Yeah. We're just back here. How
I
about we
think
mine?
we're gonna soonly be able to explode it and behind it. Oh no, we're gonna soonly be able to explode it and see.
Unstable crystal.
They already
So
found
it's
an unstable crystal.
No. Like it says, do not touch the unstable crystal. We already went that way. What the? Run. Take a right.
When you hear a man burp, you know.
Yeah.
When I turned around, you
Let's
were
go
behind
to
me
the
when
left.
when I looked away for like 2.5 seconds, and I looked back, you were the monster.
Bruh. We keep
been
going
here.
that way.
Dude, we're lost. Oh, that's kind of music. It's pretty calming music in there.
No, it's not. Scared, dude.
Me too. Bro, I can feel my heart at my spine right now.
Same.
I
Okay,
my
go the other
heartbeat-
way.
Do we place this into the rock maker and explode the machine or something?
No. There's just a thing that says unstable. I don't know how to explain it. Let's go behind here.
I can never do this by myself.
What's this?
Oh my gosh! It's
a
monkey
dead
playing
guy.
a guitar.
That makes me scared.
That makes it new. This is a new spot we haven't been to. Oh! Let's go
About
get the rainbow top hat, bro. Let's go. That's one of the rarest items in the game because people don't know how to find it. And only like about only like 300 people.
Run back.
Hannah?
Oh, heck
Hannah?
no. Heck no. I'm running.
Hannah? Where are you?
To be continued. Come back next week for part 2.